The box in your living room is lying to you. For years, we've been told that a streaming device is just a gateway to Netflix, Disney+, and YouTube. We've been conditioned to think that as long as it plays 4K video without buffering, it's doing its job. But as we sit here in 2025, a massive shift is happening behind the closed doors of Cupertino that is about to make every smart TV and every other streaming puck on the market look like a relic from the Stone Age. If you are holding on to your current Apple TV 4K, or worse, if you're using the smart software built into your television, you are missing out on a technological revolution that Apple has been quietly building for the last 3 years. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This isn't just a spec bump. This isn't just a faster chip. This is the birth of the Apple Home Hub, and by the time we finish this breakdown, you'll realize that the 2025 Apple TV 4K is the most important piece of hardware Apple has released in a decade. Think about silicon. For the longest time, the Apple TV was where old iPhone chips went to live out their final days. But the 2025 model has shattered that tradition. By integrating the A18 Pro architecture, Apple has given a television box more raw computing power than the MacBook Airs of just a few years ago. But why? You don't need that much power to stream a movie. The answer lies in computational home cinema. We've seen what Apple can do with computational photography on the iPhone, taking a tiny sensor and making it look like a DSLR. Now, they are doing it to your TV screen. The 2025 Apple TV 4K uses real-time AI upscaling that doesn't just sharpen pixels, it regenerates them. It analyzes every frame of a 1080p sports broadcast or an old 720p classic movie and uses a neural engine to predict what the high-resolution texture should look like. It's essentially deepfake technology used for good, to give you a picture quality that your TV's internal processor could never dream of achieving. But the hardware is only half the story. The real reason the USA audience is shifting toward this new model is the integration of Apple Intelligence. Imagine a world where your TV doesn't just show you a row of apps, but actually anticipates your mood. In the 2025 ecosystem, the Apple TV acts as the brain of your home. It communicates with your Apple Watch to see your heart rate and stress levels. Had a long, stressful day at the office? Your Apple TV knows. When you sit down, it doesn't suggest a high-octane action thriller. It suggests something calming, dims your HomeKit lights to a warm hue, and sets your HomePods to a spatial audio soundscape that lowers your cortisol levels. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is the level of deep integration Apple is pushing with the newest tvOS. Let's talk about the gaming elephant in the room. For a decade, people have joked that Apple is the sleeping giant of gaming. Well, in 2025, the giant is wide awake. With the introduction of hardware-accelerated ray tracing in the newest Apple TV, the line between a console and a streaming box has officially evaporated. We are seeing native ports of AAA titles that were previously only available on PS5 or Xbox Series X. But Apple has a secret weapon, Game Porting Toolkit 2. This allows developers to bring massive open-world games to the Apple TV with minimal effort. And with the rumored Apple controller finally making an appearance, a haptic-heavy, ultra-low latency peripheral, the Apple TV 4K is positioned to become the most popular gaming console